Geno Pettis Adventures. I'm still Geno. It is the first day of the rest of my life, and I did something really crazy today. Did you see the thumbnail? I'm going to show you the before and after picture of stem cells right now. What do you think of that? I was shocked. I mean, look. The wrinkles. From the first picture to this picture, except for the big ones, are gone. Gone. G-O-N-E, gone. And the reason I started to do this stem cell update today is we're 6 or 7 weeks. I think we're almost 7 weeks in after my stem cell treatment. And this morning I got up and I was reading on Fox News the secret trick that all the stars in Hollywood use, when you know it. And what is that? Stem cell injections to the face. This is like residual effect for me. I went to get stem cells for my breathing, which is about 80% better already. For my heart, I don't even know how that's being affected. For my knee, my hip doesn't hurt sometimes, but nothing like it did. And I was feeling really good, and I saw the article and read the article. And they actually said in the article that there's a possibility with stem cell research, stem cells, that we can live to be 120, 140. And I said that the other day, I'm going for 140. Well, I'm damn sure going for 140 now. Look at me, man. The wrinkles are gone. And so if it's doing that to the outside, and look at my arms, I don't use cream, and it's like I'm putting cream on. And so if it's doing that to the outside of the container, what's it doing to the inside of the container? Oh my God, Dr. Justine, God bless you. God bless you, Dr. Justine. It is the most phenomenal thing I think I've ever done for myself in my life. And I am here to tell you. So a really good thing for you would be for you guys to do. You don't have to believe me. You look at the pictures. If you believe them, fine. If you believe I photoshopped them, good luck. I wish I had that level of technical expertise. I was looking at them and thought I photoshopped them myself, and I just took the picture right here on this computer camera. Not even my good camera. Well, go to Fox News and in the search bar, just type stem cells. And there are probably, I don't know, 25, 50, maybe 50 articles. The pros, the cons, the good, the bad, the ugly, and how clinics in the United States are sneaking around and doing stem cells even though they're not FDA approved. And you guys know the drill on that one. Stem cells got thrown under the bus during President Bush's, the last one's, administration. And I don't think it's a good thing to use stem cells from aborted material. No, absolutely not. And that should never be done. These stem cells come from umbilical cords from moms that sell them to the laboratories and afterbirth, I would imagine. I don't know. I'm not a doctor. I'm the guinea pig. I am the pioneering guinea pig. You know what happens to the first guy, the first pioneer? He's the one that takes all the arrows. That's what he does. So I'm taking all the arrows except, I tell you boys and girls, this time they were rubber tipped. I'm doing well. Look at me, man. I mean, I'm 73 freaking years old. And the other picture, the before looks like it. This one, I don't know. I mean, the other one, It's got my chin all bubbly and everything, and this one's all smooth. And oh God, I don't even know what to say because that wasn't my goal to have a pretty face. My goal was to be able to breathe again. And if you look, my bottom lip is no longer purple, and it was in a lot of my videos. So if you guys are thinking about it, call me, man. I will give you the rundown, blow by blow detail. If you want Dr. Justine's number, call me, or I'll put a link in the bottom, and you can call her direct. She picks up her own phone. Um, I don't even know what to say about that. I think probably Dr. Carlos would be good, pretty good too, and Dr. Rojas in Cali, he's a good one also. And of course, the big guys in Panama and Tijuana. Oh, but you better have American Express Black Card for those boys. Anyway, yeah, I can breathe, I can walk, I can sweat, um, I can talk. Anyway, thank you guys for watching. And I know some of you guys hate that I put on here about stem cells. You want to hear more about houses, but it's not just about houses in Colombia. It's about a whole new way of life. I think the problem, do you know, I think it's 45% of my viewers are 45 to 65. 27% are 65 and up. And there's another group in there. Anyway, 80% of you guys are over 54 years old. You think you're spring chickens? You think you don't have anything wrong with you? Or you're just going to freaking give up? That's the problem. The problem is giving up. Don't do it. Don't do it. I mean, every morning I get up and have olive oil, cayenne pepper, and lime juice, which is supposed to clean everything out. And it does a pretty good job. And no, the cayenne, you can't even taste the cayenne. I was shocked because I'm used to chili. But when you shoot that cayenne, olive oil, and lemon juice in the morning, you can't even taste it. Just go chase it with some water, have a cup of coffee, and it's all good. So this is about a way of life. We've been eating crap for years. I smoked for 50 years. I drank for 30 years. I did all sorts of heinous things to my body. Run over, crashed motorcycles, crashed pickups, kicked by cows, run over by bulls, by rams. If I had it hurt, if you could hurt it, I did it. And here I am. I'm 73 years old. I got to figure out what I'm going to do for the next 50. Okay? The next 50. That's what I'm shooting for. Another 50. That's just 120 years. They say we can go to 140. And if they say we can go to 140, somebody's already doing it, and they're not telling us. And if it's 140 that they're telling us we can go to, it's probably 300. I don't know. How old was Moses? 400 and something? Excuse me. Thank you. That's COVID. That's the COVID vaccine right there. Yeah. Mm-hmm. Didn't have that. Never had that till I caught COVID. Now I deal with that little every day. Especially on here. It really pisses me off too. Because I used to have a really nice voice. I think I do anyway. Oops, I almost forgot. There's another thing I need to sneak in here. Somewhere in all of that material that I read and listened to this morning, somebody said that stem cells have never cured a disease, but they have made all the symptoms go away. Well, I'm not the smartest guy on the planet, but how do you know you even have a disease if you have no symptoms? That just never did make any sense to me. And who gives a damn if you've got a disease and there are zero symptoms? Obviously doesn't affect your life. I guess, you're going to have to fill me in on that one, but zero symptoms. Think about that one. Never cured anything, but zero symptoms. Yeah,
whatever. Okay, continue on.
Well, like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Go down to the description. There's a myriad of stuff in the description, guys, about tours. There's free stuff. There's going to be Dr. Justine's phone number, Dr. Rojas's phone number, and the code is Geno, Geno. When you tell them, when you call them, you got to give them the code. Tell them, I got to give you the code, Geno. Geno sent me. Okay. Will I make any money? Oh, maybe. I get a discount on the next time I do it. I'll tell you one thing, boys and girls. If I get the money and figure out how to do the money, I will go every 6 months. I will go every 6 months. I'll be your guinea pig. Send cash. I want to see what I look like and what I feel like after 2 years of having stem cells every 6 months. That's what I'm looking forward to. So it is the first day of the rest of my life. And I'm fired up. I am fired up. And it's hard at my age to stay fired up. It's kind of like this, but you got to look for the lasagna curve, like that. That's the way that goes. So anyway, travel light, ride hard. First day of the rest of your life. If nothing changes, nothing changes. Go make it change. Go do something different. Doesn't matter if it's good or bad. Just do something different. Get off the freaking couch. I love you guys. God bless. See you on the flip side.